No one has the ability to do some things perfect, but each person is given a lot of opportunity to do some things right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Salam Namo Buddhaya. Hello, I'm Nur Faizi from State University of Jakarta, Indonesia. On these occasions, I would like to explain my paper entitled A Farm, Open Farm as a place and empowerment to optimize the marketing of food crops and ornamental plants, the community as an effort to improve the regional economy. Indonesia is an agricultural country. Is a country where the majority of the population is engaged in farming activities. According to the Agriculture Republican Portal, Ministry of Agriculture, in February 2020, the total workforce working in the agriculture sector reached 38 million people. Ministry of Agriculture 2020. With the large working populations in the agriculture sector, it expects that the output of agriculture product will be optimal. Based on data from the Indonesian Ministry of Agriculture 2019, almost all communities experience an increase in productions every year. For foods, the banana, who has the highest productions community at 7 million. For vegetables, salad are the highest productions community at 1 million. For ornamental plants community, the chrysanthemum was the highest productions community at 465 million. Import of food crops occupancy 74% of the total import by the government. Meanwhile, import of livestock, horticulture and plantations amount to 8 until 9%. In December 2013, plantations export include palm oil, coconut, rubber, and sugarcane by 96%. This data show that the fulfillment of domestic consumptions is still very dependent on imports. Based on data of from the Central Bureau of Statistics 2020, the Horticultural Farmers Exchange Rate (NTPH) is more than 100. This means that farmers get a surplus because the production price rise more than the increase in consumer price. This NTP figure show the level of competitiveness of agriculture product compared to other product. The horticulture agriculture subsector has enormous potential to develop, starting from the conditions of Indonesia's very fertile soil for various horticulture seeds development during society, the increasing land area to the number of workers in the agriculture sector, which is still ranked first in the large labor sector in Indonesia. This is a problem that must be resolved immediately. The, the agriculture sector has not been optimally utilized by farmers so that it, it has an impact on the welfare of these horticulture farmers. The solution is technology. By what was confirmed by the Secretary of Extensions of Human Resource Development Agency (PPSDMP) 2019, agriculture digitalization is able to improve farmer welfare. Digitalization of marketing becomes a forum for farmers to access sales optimally. The question is, what kind of technology can help market a product? The importance of digitized agriculture marketing encourage the writer to present a forum for farmer and potential buyer to interact directly in digital world so that marketing effectiveness in the form of mobile applications can be accessed easily by everyone. I present All Farm Open Farm as a marketing forum for horticultural crops that connects farmer with potential buyers to be able to market agricultural products optimally and indirectly improve the regional economy and improve the welfare of local communities. These are the hypotheses and problem statement that we have compiled. Start from hypothesis. First, many horticultural farmers are not literate in technology and digitalizations of marketing, so that they are not able to market their agricultural product optimally. Second, the productions of horticultural crop has not been able to compete in the national market, so that the high number of import of horticultural agricultural products. The third, the productions and distributions of horticultural agricultural products have an impact on the welfare of horticultural farmers. The problem statement of the solutions, however, is how to make horticultural farmers technology literate, how to market horticultural agricultural product with technology, and the last, how does the farm applications work? Material and method. Research approach. The approach used in this research is descriptive qualitative. This qualitative approach is used because it provides a detailed explanations of the state of the horticulture agriculture business in Indonesia, accompanied by research supporting data. The research purpose. The purpose of this research is to find out the state of the horticulture agriculture. The purpose of this research to find out the state of horticulture agriculture product business in Indonesia with various research approach that will have an impact on this effectiveness of the solutions offered. Data collection technique. The technique that the authors used to collect data in the study are first, literature study, namely a series of activities related to data collections method library, reading and taking notes and processing research material. Second, documentary. Documentation study is carried out by reading previous writing of report and articles accessed from the internet, books, and journal according to existing problems. The third, intuitive subjective, is the involvement of the author's opinion on the issue being raised or discussed. Framework of thinking. Starting from the initial conditions, the marketing carry out did not use technology, which then had an impact on disruption, the distributions of domestic horticultural productions. Then carry out the previously planned solutions by using the off-farm applications. It is hoped that these applications can be used by the community. From using these applications, trying to reduce depends on import of horticultural productions. The less conditions that is expect from a given solution with the market share, income level increase, prosperity began to be felt. Result and discussions. The high number of horticulture import in Indonesia has made effort to optimize horticulture marketing efforts to continue. However, the development of horticulture marketing optimizations must consider several things that can be done to be able to market horticulture agriculture optimally in the community. First, cooperating with the relevant government, such as the Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Cooperative and SMEs, regional government, regional agricultural service for business accessibility and legality. Second, cooperating with the horticultural farmers to carry out marketing digitalization activities. The third, cooperating with horticultural farmers to process agricultural products in ready-to-eat conditions as a form of product innovations. And the last, introducing of farm as an e-commerce platform that focus on providing horticulture agriculture products that are needed by the community. Offer applications feature for consumer. Consumer sign in or sign up can also sign in with Gmail and Facebook. On the home screen, There is an electronic newspaper that contains update information about agriculture every day. These news stories come from trust media companies and already have a lot of readers every day. In this initial display, there is three line on the on the top left side contains the main feature of these applications, namely order, or chat, or history, or reward, and or site. Order contains an information page for for the farmer's business name and that can be selected to make a transaction that you can choose the product you want to order, the number of order, shipping cost until the transaction is complete. Of history information about transactions that have been occurred and order that are still in the process of packaging or shipping. Or rewards contains rewards that consumers get from the result of their transactions through these applications. Or reset contains information page for food recipe, snack and ornamental plants cultivation regarding processing method, tools needed, and act. And Ochet contains message page that can be addressed to seller or receive message from seller. Or farm applications feature for seller or farmers. The application for seller or farmers is not much different from applications for buyers. There are several differences, including a product, or order, or chat, or history, and or receipt. A product contains products sold by farmer and can add or reduce the available stock, change product photos, set price, and X. There are other feature order that enter from consumer regarding the types of product that consumers want. The object chat from consumer and as an interactions between consumer and seller. The O history, a history of transactions from customers that have been occurred that and their consumer feedback about the product. The O receipt feature contains plant processing receipt that sellers can try for processing reference material for sale, ready to eat and processed product. In the account menu, there is also a seller or farmer profile, a notification feature from the applications manager, a help feature for the contents method and complaint to the applications manager, setting feature for changing data, changing language and act, and about use and about us feature with informations about our farm. Farmers have an important role in improving the country's economy. The domestic horticulture cultivation results have not been able to meet the needs of the market has switched to using the media as a means of transactions. With these limitations, the high level of horticulture agriculture import in Indonesia. Farmers must change and be ready to take over the availability of food and domestic needs. The change was made to improve the welfare of their life will have an impact on the regional and state economy. Offer is here a solution that can answer the problem of domestic horticulture distributions. The features available at Ovram are what consumers and sellers or farmers need. In the Ovram applications, horticulture farmer can distribute horticulture optimally and meet domestic horticultural needs, which will have an impact on reducing horticulture import and increasing the welfare of farmers. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.